Hi everyone, in this video we would like to go for understanding another JavaFX control, image and image view. Image is a very important JavaFX control used to uh, add image to the label and button. For supporting, for adding images to JavaFX scene, there are two important classes are used. One is image class and image view class. Image which encapsulates the image and image view manages the display of the image like a photo frame. That means when any image is created, that to display that image on the JavaFX scene, that is not directly displayed, that is displayed through image view component. Both classes which are defined in JavaFX.scene.image package. Let us go for discussion of image class. The image class represents graphical images and used for loading images from specific URL. Image which supports different kind of images like as BMP images, GIF images, JPEG images and PNG images. First we'll discuss about what are the constructors are defined in image class for creating images. The first constructor is image with having input stream as argument. The image here which is created as a input stream object, that object has passed as an argument to the image class constructor for creating image. The second constructor is image passing URL as a image class constructor. So which creates image. The URL is the location of the image where it is located in the system. The third image is image string URL boolean background loading. So using this constructor we would like to go for creating image by specifying the URL. Either the URL is a URL of the image which is located in the system, or which may be a image location of the internet also. The boolean background loading which specifies when it is true, which includes the background loading of that image. And next, image with arguments of URL, requested width, requested height, preserve ratio and smooth. The width and height argument specifies the size of the image, requested width specifies the width of the image, and requested height specifies the height of the image. The preserve ratio and smooth attributes are image processing attributes for enhancing the quality of the image on the JavaFX scene. If they are true, preserve ratio is true and smooth is true, which enhances the quality of the image on the JavaFX scene. Another constructor is image with input stream argument, requested width argument, requested height argument, preserve ratio and smooth. Here the image is created as a input stream object. The best constructor used for creating images is the second constructor, third constructor and fourth constructor. Specifying URL, specifying image location as a URL, that is very easy to work from JavaFX program for adding images to JavaFX scene. Next, we would like to go for a discussion of image view. In order to add image to the JavaFX scene that is not directly added, that would like to be added through the image view component, or would like to be added through the label component, button component, or any other different graphical user interface component. The image view class parent class is node class, and with respect to node class parent class is a object class. The important constructors of the image view class are image view without having argument, which creates a image view without specifying image object, and the second constructor is a image view of image. By specifying image object as an argument to the image view, automatically image view object is created. Next, image view also directly add the image by specifying the image directly. By specifying the image directly, that we are referring from the third constructor. Now would like to go for understanding the some important methods of the image view. For setting image to image view, we'll call the set image method by passing image object as the argument. Whatever the image view is created, for that image view, if you would like to set the height, the second method is used. Suppose if you like to set the width of the image externally, call the third method. And if you like to set the preserve ratio and smooth by setting that values as true for enhancing the quality of the image, you call the set preserve ratio method by setting argument as true, by setting argument as true for set smooth method. So these are the important methods which are referred for image view. Next, suppose the images directly added to image view and the images also displayed from label and button control also. Suppose if you would like to add the image to label, we call label constructor with the two arguments. The first constructor is text, second constructor is node graphic. The node graphic specifies the image object. So actually for the image, the super class is the hierarchical super class is a node class. So if you pass image object directly here, automatically the image is displayed on the label. And for the button also, the first argument text specifies the text message for the button and second argument specifies the node object. So directly image is a hierarchical children class for node class. So we can set image also to the button. So in order to display button on the image. So next we would like to understand when either label is created or button is created with the text and image, at which position the image to be displayed, either at the top, either at the bottom, either at the center, right, left, or only image or only text. For setting these display settings, we have to call one method from the respect to label class object or from respect to button class object, call the set content display method of by passing content display constant as a argument. So here the content called from set content display method is image. Suppose if the constant is bottom, if the content display constant is content display enum constant is bottom, the content will be placed at the bottom. So that means the image is displayed at the bottom. When image is displayed at the bottom, the text message automatically displayed on the top. Suppose if the content display constant enum constant is top, the content, that means image is displayed at the top. When image is displayed at the top, automatically the text message is displayed at the bottom. Next, suppose if the content display is center, the content, that means the image is displayed at the center. Suppose if the content display is right, if the content display is right, that means the image is displayed at right and automatically the text is displayed at the left. Suppose if the content display is left, content display constant is left, the image is displayed at left and automatically the text is displayed at the right. Suppose if the content display is graphic only, if the content display is graphic only, automatically the the label or the button displays only graphic, that means image. The text message is not displayed. Suppose if the content display is text only, the text only displayed on the label or button, image is not displayed. So this is the way seven constants are displayed. Seven constants are defined from content display enum in order to control the displaying of the label, displaying of the image on the label or on the button. So now we would like to go for hands-on practice for how to add image image to the image view, that will discuss in one program. And next, how to add images to the label, that will discuss in next video. And how to add images to the button, that would like to discuss from another video. So totally, for understanding these images, we will take 3 videos demonstration. From this video we will take the discussion of how to add images to ImageView. We start the hands-on practice. Let us open a Notepad++ editor. So now we are saving file as ImageFX So for working with this program, we would like to download either JPEG image or PNG image or GIF image, and we require to save the downloaded images to the respective folder. I created images folder in my JavaFX folder. So here there are different images are available. To which images I would like to work from JavaFX program. So here from this program I would like to add the Annamacharya image to JavaFX scene. So that's why I am storing Annamacharya image to I am storing Annamacharya image to images folder. When it is stored into the respective images folder, Annamacharya folder only, we can able to add that images to the JavaFX scene. So that means downloading the respective image and storing the image in appropriate folder from where we are working. That is very important. That actually specifies the path of the image where it is located. If the path is missing, automatically what happens is the image is not properly loaded. Now we would like to go with hands-on practice of the program. Let us import all packages required. Import JavaFX.application. Next, import JavaFX.stage. Import JavaFX.scene. Go for importing remaining package JavaFX.scene.layout. Import JavaFX.scene.control. Import for working with images. Import JavaFX.scene.image. Next, import JavaFX.geometry. So this is the way we imported all packages, all necessary packages to work with this application. Let us define the class, public class ImageFX demo. As usual, extends application class. Next, create image reference, create ImageView reference. Next, create flow pane, create scene. So now like to define the init method. So take a prompt message system.out.println from init method. Next, create a image object I is equal to new image. Here we will specify the specific location of image. So in Sri Rama YouTube folder, subfolder JavaFX, inside images folder Annamacharya image is stored, and specifying that path exactly. Annamacharya.jpg, that is a JPG image. So when we are specifying correct path only, that image is displayed, otherwise errors are happened at runtime. Now we will create a ImageView object. As a argument we send image object. Next we set the height and width for the image. Set width 500. Next set the height of the image. Set fit height 500. Next set the image enhancement properties, that are set preserve ratio and smooth. Set preserve ratio of true. By setting true for set preserve ratio and set smooth method, automatically that improves the quality of the image while it is displayed on the JavaFX screen. So next go for creating flow pane object. Fp is equal to new flow pane. Specify the 20, 20. Suppose if some other images are displayed from the flow pane, the specific width and height is maintained. Next, add images to the flow pane. First get the observable list by calling flow pane.getChildren method. Returns the observable list. To the observable list we will call, to the observable list we will add image. So for adding elements to the observable list, call add all method or add method. IV, if we are calling add all method, we can able to add some more images also, not only one image. IV. So next set the alignment of the flow pane on the JavaFX scene. Set alignment of pos dot center. Now I would like to display the image on the JavaFX scene at center. Next call the next go for closing of init method. Now define start method. Add the stage argument as st, throws exception. So let us take the prompt message system.out.println from start method. Set the title st dot set title for the Kavita Pitamaha. Next call the create the scene object. Scene, here we forgotten declaration of s variable. S is equal to new scene of fp comma specify the size of the scene 700 comma, now take it as a 900 comma 900, then take the add the scene to the stage, set scene. Yes, next call the show method from stage object to display the scene from the stage. Close the start method. Now define the main method. Definition of main method in JavaFX application is completely optional. The JVM automatically calls the start method and launches the JavaFX application if we are not written this method. This is completely optional. String args call the launch method to explicitly launch the JavaFX application. If you are not explicitly launching the JavaFX application, automatically JVM will launch the JavaFX application. Now this is the program we wrote. We save the program and we check for errors. Let's compile the program. Javac ImageFX demo.java. So we got errors. Geometry. So now no errors. I will go for execution of the ImageFX demo. So this is the way the program is successfully executed, and on the JavaFX scene animation image is displayed. So this is the way we created image object. Then the created image object is added to ImageView. Then the ImageView object is added to flow pane. The flow pane is added to scene object. The scene object is calling from stage. So this is the way we displayed image on JavaFX scene. This is the way we demonstrated the JavaFX image and ImageView components. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we would like to demonstrate how to add images to label.